KE8ISG, Kilo Echo 8, India Sierra Golf. Name's Austin.
I got you, Austin. Thank you, sir. This is KD8RFO net control. I could just barely pull you out. You want to give her one more shot? Okay, now I got you, Rick. Thank you, sir. Any more check-ins for the Wednesday night 2-meter net? This is KD8RFO net control.
NA8B, November Alpha 8 Bravo, Paul in North Muskegon.
Good evening, Paul. Is KD8RFO net control for the Muskegon Area Amateur Radio Council 2-meter net. Austin, did you get the trivia question for tonight?
I did. I heard the tail end of the previous check-in kind of answering it. It's funny, you think I would know stuff like that. I just got out of the Navy, spent 4 years in Japan, so I did a little bit of time over there, but I don't know the answer off the top of my head. But I literally just turned this radio on a couple minutes ago and heard this net going on and decided to check in. So, yeah, I don't have much to add other than that. Back to net control.
Thank you, sir. The trivia question is, what was the former name of the land now known as Taiwan? Was it Formosa, Indochina, New China, New Hong Kong? We'll go down to KE8IKT. Rick, go ahead. Thought he said he was in and out. Yeah, I probably did. I didn't get that. Let's go back over to North Muskegon to NAAP. Mr. Paul, go ahead.
NA8B. Well, good evening to everybody. Not a heck of a lot going on around here. Glad to see the big snow piles going away. Glad they're not showing up in my basement. And, let's see here. The answers of the question is I'm going with Formosa. This is NA8B.
Thank you, Paul. Yeah, I sure am glad to see all the snow gone. I can see my driveway now, and don't have to get anybody to the 4x4 to come in and drag out the snow. And
KE8IKT from KE8ISG. You got a copy on me, Rick? I switched to the IRA link repeater. KE8IKT, KE8ISG. Got a copy, Rick?
KE8ISG is KE8IKT. Yeah, I made a big mistake. I was using the wrong side of the radio when I transmitted to the other net. Pardon me, please, for interfering.
Why are you apologizing? I was just making sure your radio wasn't broken. Alright, just making sure everything was going good for you. I'm back on the side.
Okay, yeah, I thought I was on the Muskegon amateur radio repeater, and I forgot to switch sides of the radio, and I was on the IRA link, and I apologize for that. I probably walked on somebody. Again, KE8IKT. I'm going to go back to the Muskegon link. KE8IKT clear.
KE8ISG, QSY and clear.
Followed by 4 seconds of silence. That's your cue to momentarily stop transmitting so that your repeater timer can reset. A brief note to our listeners. ARRL headquarters will be closed on Monday, February 19th for President's Day. There will be no W1AW code practice or bulletin transmission on that day. And now our top stories for Friday, February 16th.